Hello, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for our sinking funds. Let's get into it. Straight away. Let's go. Alright, we have our parents' anniversary. They get $3. 16, perfect. They get 1, 2, 3. Supposed to say 19, huh? 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Sucks, but we're gonna roll with it, okay? We're gonna roll with it. Already took away our ones. Where are we at with Mom and Dad's Day? We had 16. Oh, we still have 16. Good to know. Okay, so they get 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait, no, that's 19. I was like, that doesn't seem right. Okay, 19. So now they have 19. Sucking up all our dollars. Oh my goodness. Okay. Father's Day is fun. I already have my dad's Father's Day card, so I guess I'll just take that money and put it in there and then mail it off. So that's nice. Let's get to the birthdays, which are also supposed to get 3. So I'm like, because I don't know. I don't actually have 3s. I only have some of these. So we're going to see how that goes. 19. Okay, starting with her mom. She has 12. She's supposed to get 3, so she should have 13, 14, 15. Oh, great. We're moving into 15s. So I'm going to give them the 5. Put away the 2 1s. And now I'm like, oh, I may need to go trade out some of those 5s I have. And the other ones so that I still have 5s. To do these 15 trades. I don't actually have any 5s I could trade though. Okay. Maybe we can find some 5s though. Because that will make my life infinitely easier. Let's see. 4th of July / Nope. Why don't these have 1? Oh, this one might have 5s though. No, it's all 20s now. Oh my gosh. I was counting on you. Christmas might have some 5s. Let's see if Christmas has some. Because Christmas gets like 25, I think. So it might. Oh my gosh. Everybody is so low on change. What's going on? Okay. Let me try maybe New Year's. You know who has 5s though? You know who has 5s? I bet. Valentine's. Let me go pull up my Valentine's envelope. Or pile. Ha! I knew it. Okay. And I'm actually just going to trade it for a 20. For Valentine's. There we go. Boop. Perfect. Okay. So, now we can do this. Alright, so Dad's getting 3. He has 12. So, we trade a 5 for the 2. Boop. Got it. Love doing a trade-off. Ugh, there we go. 15, 15. Love getting our 1s. My sister's is at 31. So, that actually means that she is going to be finished now. So this year's is done for her. 33. No, she's 36. So we're still going. Oh, she's got 1s. What? Okay, she gets 3. So we're just going to give her her 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to take all these ones, as many as we can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so she's going to keep 4 of hers. We're gonna trade off for that. I'm gonna grab these. And then let me see if I can, yeah, we are. Okay, I'm gonna take 2 5s, grab a 10. So she's got 20, 30, 4. Perfect. Go, sister. All right. Now, see, we get to, all right, now we get to 4th of July / Juneteenth. Juneteenth is coming up. I'm off for Juneteenth this year. Actually, I'll be on a little trip, so that'll be fun. It gets $2. 1, 2. No change or anything here, so I don't even know if I'll spend this. I might just save it for 4th since I'm doing something bigger for Juneteenth. So 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And that'll mean that I'll be able to, because I've already planned out my Juneteenth. So I'm not too worried about that. 39. Thanksgiving gets 15. So 1, 5. Glad I got those 5s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 25, oops, 20, 30, 35. 35. Alrighty. $135 for Thanksgiving. I'm inviting my family here for Thanksgiving. I will see if they accept or if they're like, come home. No, I'm staying home for Thanksgiving and not going anywhere. And I'm going to invite my family up for Christmas. So we'll see if I can get them to come up for Christmas. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 75, and 25 for Christmas. And we're going to go ahead and trade out these 2 5s and a 10 for a 20. And Christmas should have 220, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. Perfect. Then New Year's is getting $10. And New Year's is at 75, so that should get us at 85, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, and a 10. I don't know if I want to trade some of these 10s out. I feel like I probably should. So 20, another 20. Ooh, there we go. And another 20. Okay, I'll leave it at that. So 20, 40, 60, 75, 70, 80, 85. Perfect. And that's it. Even having to find change, I managed to keep this under 10 minutes. So I think that this is a system that is working for me. Without having everything change every 5 seconds, I'm actually able to get my sinking funds done pretty quickly. So, oh, let me update. 200. Oh, we need to do Valentine's. And 85. And let's do Valentine's. Almost done. Valentine's has 20. Still needs an envelope. And gets a 5, so it gets 25. Boop. Now we're done. Still under 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all for our next video so we can finish up our sinking funds for the month of June. Have a great one. Bye-bye.